the best tips and ideas on affiliate marketing. If you're just starting affiliate marketing, you might have many questions like, which affiliate programs should I use? Or how do I write videos to attract more readers? In this video, you can find many useful tips and ideas that not only answer these questions, but also help you succeed with your site. You should never have to pay to join an affiliate marketing program. Any affiliate program that asks you to pay a membership fee or training cost is more than likely just a scam that is out to take your money. Good affiliate marketing programs are free, because the parent company earns their money from the traffic and sales you send their way. Check the company's reputation. Working with a company who has a bad reputation is pretty obviously a bad idea, but dig a little deeper to see how their underlying reputation looks. They may have undisclosed issues, like a lawsuit that hasn't made the news yet. You don't want to affiliate yourself with a company that will, in the end, damage your reputation as well. You will find a lot of affiliate marketing material online available for free, so always remember to sign up for multiple newsletters and e-zines. You are not necessarily looking to copy the moves other people are making or to follow someone else's path verbatim, but you can find some great inspiration. If you have purchased an affiliate product to test it out, do not rely on text alone to give it a positive review. Break out the video camera, comb your hair, and give a video review of the product half how it works, how it helps you, and how it can help them. Allow people to actually see the product. Affiliates with blogs should be keeping their readers informed at all times. Blogs by nature have regularly updated content, and thus they receive recurring visitors. Create a resource page for your visitors so that they can easily check and find old content if they are interested in knowing more. Choose your affiliate marketing product with care. You should only choose products that you can actually endorse and that you know something about. If you are passionate about fitness and health, that is the niche your products should come from. If you know a lot about dog training, your products should be chosen from this niche. You should read over the contract before you sign it to make sure there aren't exclusions, such as only being able to use them as your affiliate company. If a company wants you to exclusively use their affiliate program, they obviously don't have the best interest of your company in mind. As an affiliate marketer, a good thing to remember is that internet traffic spikes heavily at Christmas. This is not just standard traffic, it is looking and ready to make a purchase. Consider building a site around a product that will make a great Christmas gift and make sure to utilize SEO to improve your search engine rankings in time for the holiday shopping season. Affiliate marketing is definitely not as easy as it seems. Writing quality videos and keeping up with ads can become frustrating at times. But if you follow these tips, you will be on your way to building an effective site, gathering a reader fan base, and most importantly, increasing revenue. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.